In this short tutorial, I will show you how to change the hero's voice to Japanese in Mobile Legends. Changing the hero's voice can make your gaming experience more enjoyable and immersive. To get started, tap on the gear icon at the top right. Once you are on the settings page, you'll see the language option at the bottom and it's set to English. Just tap on it. Then tap on the voice option. Now you have the ability to change the voice language. To change the hero's voice to Japanese in Mobile Legends, simply tap here. Then tap OK to confirm it. Now it will take some time to download. Tap and select the language. Once you've done that, you have to restart the game to apply the changes. This is exactly how you can change the hero's voice to Japanese in Mobile Legends. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.